dito pa ano. Dito pala ako mag-i-slice. Ganon. Pala na swipe tayo ng hindi ko alam. Nag-live. Ano? Magluluto pa ako ng itlog na may ano to, itlog na may patatas. So, kailangan dito ako sa pa naman. Ito na po yung pagkain ko, guys. Ayan. So, sa harapan ako mag-i-slice, magbabalat. Present to the I thank you. The host invite. The host is invited to go to live. Paano yun? Ay, nawala siya. Ganun ba yun? Invite another. Paano? Sige, mag-invite daw ako. Ay ko guys, di ako marunong. Manood lang kayo. Just watch me. I will cook. I don't know how to invite the guests to join me. I don't know. Just watch for my cooking. It's my cooking show. So this is potato. I'm gonna mix this one in egg. Kasi yun lang ang alam kong tutong ulam, yung madalian. Parang lang din ako nag-live sa YouTube. Pag ganito. Pero mas maganda sa YouTube kasi I just wake up. Mas maganda sa YouTube kasi madaming pumapasok na sabagay. Iba-iba din kasi ang Paano yun? Invite Muhammad. Okay, invite. Paano yan? Ba't ayaw? In-invite. Go to live together. Ganon. Ano yun?
How are you?
What is
How
that?
are you? I am fine. Speak English.
Wait lang, I will make volume up.
are you?
I am good.
I am good.
Invite the host to a match. Sino? Who? Live together. Sige, pasok kayo lahat. Wala naman eh.
Speak Arabic.
What are you doing, my friend? What is that? You're doing, ano? You're
Speak
making, ha?
Speak Arabic.
No. Sorry.
French.
Yun, di kita. Di naman siya. Tanungin ba ako, hindi ako marunong mag-Arabic? Only Bisaya, English, and Tagalog. Bisaya. I'm a Bisdak. You know that? You know Bisdak? I'm just trying only how to invite, no, I guess, ano ko yun siya. Excuse me po. Because in YouTube, there is different, live streaming, TikTok and YouTube. So this is my first time to do live in TikTok. So I don't know what to do. I don't know exactly how. So I'm just this one. And I don't want someone will be to be a guest. I don't want someone to be in my live that talking bastos, road and bastos. I don't like. We are friends. Yes, we can talk like a friends, like a brother and sister, like that. Much love. Ganon ba yun, guys? Just watch for my cooking, much better. Enjoy watching. I don't know how to cook. Ano yun? Excuse me. Hindi. Sige, I will try. Ganun. Invite sent. Tapos, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang pala magla-live. So, pwede na ako mag-live sa labas pala. Dito ako mag-slice, guys. Masakit may...